Good day, YouTubers. Michael Stemmitz here. It's a 2 package that came back. Let's find out what it is. Hold on just a second. Well, I'm thinking it was very hot outside, so I'm just wondering that it's 100 degrees outside in Modesto, but I don't like Modesto. It's kind of damp and dangerous, so I just thought through completely that I just wanted to find a job and make some money and get my own place. I'm gonna get myself is Livermore. So this is what I got before. 2 packages. Here it is. It was Revenge of a Cyberman, and The Face of Evil. This is 2 of those Tom Baker stories. Here we have Revenge of a Cyberman and The Face of Evil, the first appearances of Leela. Wow, I like that. Alright, and here we go. That's why this is 2 of those Tom Baker DVDs. Here we have is Doctor Who, Revenge of a Cyberman with Tom Baker. And there's a Cyberman. And that thing looks like, I don't know what those guys are. And here's a spine, the new BBC logo, the Doctor Who logo, Revenge of a Cyberman, and the new DVD logo. So, and here we got, look on the back, it says story number 79. The Doctor and his companions are lost in time, expecting to be returning with the TARDIS, following a secret mission for the Time Lords. They instead find themselves on the plague-struck spaceship orbiting the remains of Virga, planet of God, planet of gold. The Doctor, Harry, and Sarah Jane have stumbled into the last battle of an archness conflict between humankind and one of its most terrifying foes, the Cybermen. And here we have the audio commentary by the producer, I don't know what his name is, and Elizabeth Sladen, Sarah Jane Smith, and whatever it is. So, and here we have it says here on this set, the Tin Man and a Witch making of, location report, and photo gallery and PDF materials. The Radio Times listings. This is back in print, like it was very cool it was before. And that's why it's very completely. And it says Originally transmitted April 19th to May 10th, 1975. Let's open it up. Well, unfortunately, this Blu-ray of Doctor Who, Tom Baker's complete season 1 has Revenge of the Cybermen. That it has a brand new special effects, so it's very good to know. Let's open it up, and here it is, a recycled material, and it's Tom Baker, Revenge of a Cyberman. See, I'm sorry about that. That's my mom. She's calling on the phone. I don't know what she says, but well, it says 95 minutes approximately. Mono audio 4.3. That's so cool. That's an old TV. That's what it is. And here we have this one. Is Doctor Who, The Face of Evil, with Tom Baker. And there's Louise Jameson, plays Leela. And the spine and the back. Look on the back, it says story number 89. When the TARDIS arrive on the jungle planet, the Doctor encounter two wearing troops of the Seven Team. Wow, so cool. And the Telish of Seven Team workshop a god called Axonaut on the Tesh of supposed keep Axonon's prisoner. I don't know what this says. Well, it says audio commentary by the actor Louise Jameson, plays Leela. And I don't know what their name is, but it was very, very complicated. So, Into the Wild making of. From the cutting room floor. Wow. Tomorrow's Time, the Fourth Doctor. The Doctor Who stories, Louise Jameson. Interviews shot for 2003. Swap Shop. And Denny's Fisher Toys Advert. And photo gallery and PDF materials. Radio Times listings. So it says originally transmitted January 1st to 22nd, 1977. Well, that's the year my mom was born. So I'm gonna open this up and see how it is. And look at this. Recycled material. And there's a disc of Doctor Who, The Face of Evil. And I can't see. It says approximately 96 minutes. And it's mono audio 4.3. I'm gonna watch this one, so then I'm gonna watch these two, and I'm also gonna get back to you in about on Saturday when I'm gonna do a collection video. So this is Michael Steinmate saying peace.